everyone! So today I wanted to show you the collection of Alice in Wonderland clothing that I have. So most of them are on this rack over here, and I have some dresses, I have some skirts, and so on. I thought that it would be nice to show you some of the things that I have. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So I guess I will start off with the centerpiece, which I display over here, and this is my favorite dress. This is a dress from Baby the Stars Shine Bright, which is a Lolita brand. It comes with a bow, and it comes with these little tie thingies that you can detach, or if you want you can put it right here. The sleeves on this dress also are detachable, so in the summer you can detach the sleeve right here with the buttons and have short sleeve, or if you want you can have a long sleeve, which is I think really nice, and you have more options. Well, the details on this dress are absolutely stunning. We have these beautiful details with bows and B for the brand name, and these little ruffles. Of course, the main thing is the print of the dress. So I will show you a close-up right now, but basically it has Alice in different scenes. So she is falling down the rabbit hole, or talking to flowers, or she's at the tea party. And I think this is such a cute dress. I wore this to Disneyland when I was there last time. Everybody was looking and they were like, oh my god, I love your dress. And the back is also really nice, so it has these little frills which go all the way down to the end of the skirt from like the waistline. Well, this dress is definitely more of like Lolita kind of look, and it might be a little bit too much for some people. I love this. I would not wear this every day, of course, because I'm not really Lolita style, but when I go out to Disney and things like that, I think this is a perfect dress. So now let's go through all the skirts that I have, and they are right here. These are all of the Alice skirts that I own at the moment, and I'm hoping to get more. But I will start with this one. They are all pretty much, I bought them not at the store, but I bought them online, different websites that sell used clothing. And this skirt is from the brand called Shirley Temple, and it looks like this. So it's a skirt that has these levels, and it's more of like a daily skirt because the material is very simple, and it's just like a daily skirt that I would pair with like some blouse, like white blouse or blue blouse, and just to go with it. It doesn't really have Alice herself there, but we have like a rabbit, and we have the tea party themed objects here like cupcakes and stuff. So it is still an Alice themed skirt, but it's not like Alice, but I still love the skirt a lot, and I think I got this for really cheap, like maybe $6 or something. This one is one of my recent purchases, and it even comes with a tag. Can you believe it or not? So the person who sold this didn't wear this. This originally was 6,000 yen, and I think I got this for maybe 2,000 or something like that, or maybe 3,000. And this is also from the brand Baby the Stars Shine Bright. And this skirt is quite long, as you can see. So compared to the one that I just showed you, yes, this is way longer. We have Alice with different teapots, Alice talking to some of the characters, and this is just two pictures that I repeated multiple times. But I think this is a beautiful, beautiful skirt. It says Alice in Wonderland on the bottom, and it has this beautiful frills and lace details, and all of the skirts, for the most part, they're Lolita design. They would have these little tie things that you can make a bow out of. This is also my recent purchase, and this is more of like the flowy, silky kind of material, like chiffon, I would say. Again, most of the Lolita skirts have this frill at the bottom. Most of them, because this is just like a thing that is popular with the design, again, as well as these little ribbons to tie a bow. The print here is very beautiful, so it's more of like a flowery spring summer kind of thing, and it has Alice sitting here, and she's looking gorgeous as always. I think she's so cute, and I just love her so much. And again, this skirt is long. I think it's the same length as the previous one, so I haven't worn this one quite yet because it is longer, but I just had to have it again because I'm a collector. So this is more of a darker color theme. The print here is very beautiful. So we have Alice, and we have rabbit, and different furnitures, and Cheshire cat. It's more of like a mature skirt. Moving on to my top 2 favorite skirts. This is also from the brand Baby the Star Shine Bright. And again, it comes with the ribbons and the frills at the bottom. And this time we also have these adorable bows and this polka dot ribbon at the bottom. So it's kind of like a white, blue, lavender-ish color. And the print is very, very subtle. It's not super obvious. The Alice here is not the Alice from the Disney movie, but it's more of like a original drawing, original painting, I would say, original design. And she is here again with all the characters and at the tea party and everything. And the last skirt that I have is this one, so it's kind of hard to show, like it falls off the hanger all the time, but again, it comes with the ribbons and with the frills at the bottom. I think it's a given already, and this is my favorite because it's pink. And I love pink, and everything that is pink I would want to have and wear. Not the Alice from the Disney movie, but this is the Alice from the original drawing from the book. And here we have beautiful pictures with Alice in Cheshire and the rabbit and playing cards and beautiful flowers. And this skirt is again from the brand Baby the Star Shine Bright. As you can see, it's on the skirt right here. And yeah, this skirt is extremely beautiful. I love wearing this a lot. It's funny because I was wearing this skirt on the day when I got engaged. My fiance proposed to me in the Alice in Wonderland cafe, and it's just so symbolic and I love it. And the engagement ring also is Alice themed. This is the last skirt that I have. Another dress that I have is this one, and this is more like a suspender. Not really, but I would want to wear something underneath, like a blouse or a t-shirt or something. And this is the dress from the brand Femme, and it's a Japanese brand as well. And I managed to get like the last one and buy on their official store because these were sold out really quickly. And what's cool about this one is that it has this really tiny print which looks like you're looking through a keyhole. You can see that they're characters from the movie. So we have Alice and rabbit, again the flowers, Cheshire. On the side it has kind of like a ribbon and you can adjust the size. Unfortunately I only have one shirt, and I didn't really encounter any other Alice shirts that I really liked. So this is the just regular blouse, and I'm not sure what the brand is because it doesn't say, and I got this used with the set with that blue chiffon skirt. A really simple, also kind of Lolita inspired blouse with frills and beautiful sleeves, and look at all the details with the ribbons and stuff. The only thing that is Alice is this print over here. We can see the little embroidery of Alice's silhouette. So that's all for the shirts, and I have 2 t-shirts to show you. The t-shirt from Zara, and I bought this a while ago and I wear it all the time when I just want to have like a loungy look. I don't want to dress up, or if I'm going to the store. In the back it also has these cards right here, which I think is super cute. And I love this t-shirt so much. Last t-shirt is this one. I just washed it and I got this for super cheap at like Sankey Mart for like $3. And this is like a mini Alice. This is something that I wear at home just to sleep in, or like my homeware kind of thing. That is all for the clothes that I have with Alice, and I just wanted to quickly show you the bag. The first one is this bag, which I got, actually my fiance got this for me at Alice on Wednesday, which is a store in Harajuku, and it has all things Alice. And this is a black bag that has the illustrations from the book, not from the movie. And it has some words here, and like clock and rabbit and Alice herself, and the same thing on the back. 2 compartments on the side and 1 zipper compartment in the middle. Next bag is this, which is my absolute favorite bag. It has some charms that I haven't taken since winter time, but this is from the brand Angelic Pretty, which is another Lolita brand in Japan. And this is a beautiful tote bag that I also got used. And if we move Vinny a little bit, we will be able to see Alice, and she is looking gorgeous. It's obvious that it's a little bit old because you can see the print is a little bit scratched and stuff, but I still think that it's a beautiful bag and I wear it all the time. In the back we have Alice in Wonderland, and I like the little frills and the heart and the spades and everything, so it's just a beautiful, beautiful bag, and I'm so happy that I got this. Next bag is not really a bag, it's like a shopper bag or whatever this is. I got this at the official Disney store, and on the one side we have Alice under the tree. This is the scene from the movie, and the other side is just the same thing but like a little print. So she is sleeping here. And inside it has a little pocket and it says sleepy time. This is super adorable. Last but not least, this is the last item for this video, and it's this bag that I got from Femme, and this is another tote bag. So this also has the illustrations from like the original Alice from the book, and the design is very, very complicated. There's so many things going on. It's more like a Victorian era, as you can see. So Victorian theme and like faded pink color here, and the same thing on the side. And the inside is gorgeous. Look at this. It's a floral print, and even the pocket on the side, like right here, has Alice on it. So I think this is a gorgeous bag. I bought this in the spring of last year, so they don't have it anymore, but they also had a makeup bag just like this. So yes, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching the collection that I have, and if you are a fan of Alice just like I am, please let me know what kind of things do you have, and if you like Alice in Wonderland or not. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!